Welcome. Today we dive into one of Russian literature's most debated mysteries, who really wrote And Quiet Flows the Dawn. For decades, scholars and readers have argued over whether Mikhail Sholokhov was the true author of this epic novel or if someone else penned its pages. The controversy began almost as soon as the novel was published, fueled by political, cultural, and even personal biases. Some believe Sholokhov's talent was too great to be genuine, while others pointed to supposed inconsistencies in style and historical detail. Over the years, various candidates were proposed as the real author, and the debate became a battleground for literary and ideological arguments. But how can we move beyond opinion and bias to find the truth? Let's explore how digital textology is changing the game. In recent years, a new field called digital textology has emerged, offering powerful tools to analyze literary texts. By digitizing manuscripts and published works, researchers can now use computer algorithms to compare writing styles, word frequencies, and other subtle features that are hard for the human eye to spot. One of the most reliable methods is called Delta, developed in the early 2000s. Delta compares the frequency of common words across different texts and calculates the distance between them. If two works are stylistically similar, their delta distance is small; if not, it's larger. This method has been tested on many languages and genres, and it's proven especially effective for large homogeneous texts like And Quiet Flows the Dawn. So what happens when we apply delta to the Sholokhov mystery? Researchers used the delta method on And Quiet Flows the Dawn. They included texts by Sholokhov and all major candidates, Kryukov, Sevsky, and Serafimovich. The results were striking. Delta showed that all parts of the novel were written by the same author, and that author style matched Sholokhov's other works, especially his Dawn stories. None of the other candidates' writing came close in stylistic similarity. Even as Sholokhov's style evolved over time, the core features remained consistent. The data was clear. Sholokhov is the most probable author among all Soviet writers whose works have been digitized and analyzed. This doesn't just settle an old debate, it shows how digital tools can bring new clarity to literary mysteries. Summary: the authorship debate over And Quiet Flows the Dawn has spanned nearly a century, reflecting not just literary curiosity but also deeper questions about history, politics, and identity. Thanks to digital textology and the Delta method, we now have strong objective evidence supporting Sholokhov's authorship. This case is a powerful example of how technology can help us revisit and resolve even the most stubborn literary controversies. As digital tools continue to evolve, who knows what other mysteries might be solved? Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world where literature and technology meet.